Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 43 and let's start. Alright, first guess was not good. We need to collect 10 cats. So far we have 2. Alright.
Nice.
The green one also is here. Okay, we have 3 cats. Alright, let's try the blue one there. Alright, 4 cats finished.
Perfect.
We have the yellow one there also. Okay. Now let's try to find the pink one. Maybe there. Yes, I was correct. Alright, let's see where's the blue one. Maybe there. No, it's definitely here. Alright, we need 4 more cats to finish and only 1 fish. So we need to be careful. The pink one is maybe there. Yeah. Alright, so we have the brown one here. And the last one is probably there. Alright, we need 1 more cat. So it is probably there. Yes. Alright guys.